days, digging holes in busy roads and causing huge delays. I wear a donkey jacket, supplied entirely free. It were alright for the donkey, but it damn near buries me. Now everywhere you'll see me with my pneumatic drill, churning up the highway. It's a good job, looks don't kill. I follow gasboard men around, it really is a bore. I watch them fill their holes in E, then I dig them out once more. Oh yes, I am a road repairer, spend me working days digging holes in busy roads and causing huge delays. I leave a temporary surface where 2-foot ramps are bound, and I watch cars leaping in the air and land with a crunching sound. And just around the corner I set up traffic lights, and I fix them so they stay on red halfway through the night. I am a road repairer, spend me working days digging holes in busy roads and causing huge delays. First thing that I always do when I reach the working site is erect the hoods and light the fire and check the Calagas stove's alright. I install the chairs and tables, fix the dartboard with a screw, make sure we've got the deck of cards and it's time for my first brew. Oh yes, I am a road repairer, and I spend me working days digging holes in busy roads and causing huge delays. The job that I enjoy the most is when traffic I control, with me swivelling stop go notice on its official looking pole. I tempt unwary motorists, it's safe to go ahead, then just as they pick up speed I turn me notice round to red. Oh yes, I am a road repairer, and I spend me working days digging holes in busy roads and causing huge delays. There's some lovely new inventions to lighten our workload. There's a monster that spews fire out and melts the tarmac on the road. I love to operate it and manipulate the blast in such a way to strip the paint off cars as they go past. Oh yes, I am a road repairer, spend me working days digging holes in busy roads and causing huge delays. Me and me mate went on a job and forgot to take the tools. The foreman swore and cursed and called us every kind of fools. I telephoned the office, they said we're sorry brother, if you forgot your spades you'll have to lean on one another. Oh, I am a road repairer, spend me working days digging holes in busy roads and causing huge delays. Next time that you're out driving and road repairs you see, stop quickly if you feel a jerk. That jerk might just be